Good evening. This is day 4 in our contemplation series with Hildegard von Bingen. So whenever you're ready, just close your eyes and just allow each breath to support you to turn within, inward and upward. With each out-breath, we release and let go of the day, the challenges, the rushing about, everything that does not serve us right now. We just let them go on the breath. We blow them away. And on each in-breath, we turn our attention inward and upward. We allow the life force from the divine presence to pull us upward into oneness, connecting within and connecting with all. My day is ending. Spend a moment welcoming the dark and the silence. Make friends with the silence of the night. Welcome her, who stands just out of reach, beckoning, worrying, welcoming, demanding. Name her. Is she truth, charity, faith, hope, sobriety, fidelity, honesty? Name her. Approach her. Embrace her. Night prayer. How precious to me is your steadfast love, O God. I take refuge in the shadow of your wings and feast on the abundance of your table. I depend on the river of your gifts, for with you is the fountain of life. Only in your light do I see light. Amen. We simply allow these wonderful words to take hold in our consciousness. We embrace them and allow them to guide us. Thank you for contemplating and praying with me tonight. Have a good night. Baruch B'Shem.